The home buying process step by step. Hey everyone, Rummy here, your real estate experts. Today in Real Estate Insight, we're going to talk about how to purchase your first home, your second home, your third home in today's market with the recession looming in the area, right? So the first one is getting the best mortgage broker that is out there. Now, I would recommend getting somebody who's experienced, who you could trust, who you could communicate, who's responding back to you. Don't get a mortgage broker that doesn't communicate with you. Believe it or not, we had 2 transactions where the mortgage broker went MIA, where the company actually closed down. So making sure that you work with a mortgage broker that will communicate with you. All right. And then getting a pre-approved. You want to get a pre-approved. You want to have that in hand so that way you can negotiate the best possible price. Sellers and realtors and listing agents are not going to take you serious when you don't have a pre-approval. And if you have any contingencies, remove that contingency before you put an offer on the property. The second one is going to be searching for a home in the location that you want. Now, this is where the realtors are going to come, right? You want to work with a realtor that knows the location, has expertise. Like our team has more than 2 decades of expertise selling hundreds of homes. Work with a realtor that have the insight on the location, properties, different homes, the layouts, most importantly, the amenities that they have to have in the house too as well. So work with a realtor that you trust and does communicate. I love communication because I think that's one of the things that realtors kind of do lack, and as mortgage brokers too as well. We spoke about that. Then what you want to do is the house that you're interested in, make an offer. Don't be scared of making an offer. I work with so many buyers that are just like, oh, I don't know what I want to offer. Well, make an offer. If the seller says no, it's a no. Don't worry about the outcome that's going to be. If the seller says no, even if it's $10,000, $20,000 less than the asking price, that's okay. Majority of the realtors don't like that, but if you have a realtor like ourselves on my team, we'll negotiate the best possible price. Again, don't worry about the outcome. Once you get an accepted offer, get the inspection done. Now, some people like to waive the inspection. I know there was a big boom that was happening before where, inspections waived. Still get the inspection done. I'm not understanding why when I bought my house, even though inspection was waived, I still got the inspection done. Why? Because I want to know where the furnace is. I mean, it's a stupid question, but honestly, it's a great question. Or where the shutoff valve is, where the circuit breakers are, or how old is the furnace, how old is the roof. You're going to get a good idea after the inspection. And if there's some things that need to be fixed, making sure that the realtor relays that and negotiate the best possible negotiation on fixing them or giving you a credit at the closing. Then, with your attorney or with your realtor, depending on the state, you're going to go into contract, put your down payment, and then after that, work with the mortgage broker to get the appraisal done, to get the title done with your attorney, or pick the right title company. We work with a great title company too as well. And finally, get the keys to your house and eventually repeat this process again another 4 or 5 years, so that way you could build the wealth. I know it could be overwhelming sometimes to get a house and you're emotionally involved. That is why you want to work with a great attorney, inspector, realtor, and a mortgage broker, and even title company too as well. You might not know what they do in the back end, but they're very, very important to making sure that you get a clean real title. Thank you guys. Rummy here, your real estate experts. Hope you like this. Stay in tune for more real estate insight, providing you updated information on real estate. Stay tuned.